So on to a second topic. The Supreme Court ruling on the NGO inaitwa National Gay and Lesbian Rights Commission, something of that sort. Walialawiwa ku form that organization and register it.
Yeah.
And we have seen it has received a lot of reactions from Kenyans themselves, from the MPs, from the leaders, from the religious community, from yani kila mtu tu ako na opinion ya kusema.
Actually this woman, not lady, sorry. Is she the US ambassador? Jana akisema ati as America they really respect Kenyan's take on LGBTQ and they respect our cultural and social values and everything. But again, for me this is America. Like if you're this guy who follows history, you never take America seriously. Like yeah, no, to be honest, like these people can hide they don't mean what they say. So saying that they respect us and everything, yet we know at the end of the day they're the people really trying to push this agenda, like ni kutudanganya. So to the main issue, unajua mimi venye issue ilitokea, to be honest, being in Kenya nilijua is like one of those distractions that we've been having. Kila wiki something new comes up.
There's drama.
Yeah, there's drama. So I felt like, okay, maybe it was meant to come as a distraction, but it hit the government where they didn't expect, because people now took it so serious. Tulikuwa expect after a few days imepita imeenda.
It has taken
but Wakenya wamechukulia personal.
So they're not kidding.
To be honest, let me say this. Personally, I don't have problem with these members of the LGBTQ community.
Okay.
My only worry is when now you want to register it, generally it means you're legalizing it. So it's becoming like it's very normal and it's very okay to be part of this community. My issue is then, first, as Africans, as Kenyans, venye tunajijua, we already going against what we believe to be our cultural and whatever, cultural and social values toka kitambo. Then another concern it's raising is, we've had cases of people engaging into sexual activities with animals and everything. Zimekuwa zikispread sana. Like I'm sure in cases kila tumesikia sana. So what makes you think these people can also decide to come up one day and say that, you see, we are human beings, but we don't have feelings for human beings. We have feelings for animals. Then also us, we want to be registered as an organization or as a society and let our feelings be respected. Then that way, okay. For me, I really feel that way we'll be losing like our morals kabisa. Because if you want to have a system where everything can be passed into a law and it's legal and can be legally practiced, then it means everyone has the right to come. Yeah, because if I say that I have feelings for a fellow man, she has feelings for a fellow lady, and our highest court in the country says it's okay, then what makes you, why is it that now you want to say that this person claiming that he or she has a feeling for a certain animal is wrong? At the end of the day, what is constant here is feelings. It's feelings. So personally, to be honest, I feel like to me that is something that really needs a serious discussion with all stakeholders, be it the religious leaders, our politicians, you see, and even the members of the public alone to be included. Because, the people we are putting at risk is the generation behind us. The generation behind us. So I really feel like it needs an open-minded conversation. Let us not rush into making such decisions, as much as we respect everyone and what they want as a country, because we are a democratic country. If democracy really exists, then Yeah, like me sijui, but personally if you ask me if I was at the position of a judge at the Supreme Court, like I would say no. Yeah, that's my opinion.
You would vote
But
no.
I would vote no.
But si wanasema you can register, but it's still illegal to be umesikia that thing? Yeah, you can register, but generally, I don't know, the LGBTQ is illegal.
Okay, what happens? Acha niwafunze.
Please.
So, being a member of the LGBTQ community is not a crime in Kenya.
Okay.
Practicing sex within that community is wrong. That's what is punishable. Okay?
Yeah. Yep.
You cannot be arrested for being attracted.
But you can be arrested
you can be arrested for acting on it.
Wow.
You know, before...
So, right now, what the court has done is it has allowed people of that community to form their own organization and register it so that they can fight for their rights when it comes to either either there's violence, either somebody has been beaten or harmed, or they can have that organization. Yes. It's not that they have allowed them to have sex. Okay.
Sex is where they draw the line.
Sex is where they draw the line. Yes. So what happens is naona editor pale anakunja sura.
Unajua actually before our editor alikuwa ameleta theory nyingine na ina make sense. It's like saying we allow gang members in Kenya, but we don't allow them to steal. So you can have those organization gang members and whatever, but if you are caught stealing, you are being caught.
That is why
it makes sense. That is why I'm a gang if I'm not a thief. Why am
I not stealing?
That is why you will not be arrested for being in a gang. But that's how complicated the law is. That you'll be arrested tricky for acting within that gang.
That's tricky.
I really feel this is our law. Anyway, no wonder we have lawyers and lawmakers. Need to likuja film school.
What do you think? This is a hot debate, and we would love to know your specific opinion, because tunaona vitu nyingi and we don't know this. So we'd like to know, what is your opinion? What do you think about this Supreme Court ruling? Do you think they did the right thing by trying to get them that organization to protect themselves, or do you think that they should not be tolerated at all? And the other thing that happened within government this past week is that the office of the First Lady is planning to employ 100 religious intercessors into the office, wakuwe staff members, kama venye unaweza enda kwa kampuni upate huyu ni HR, upate huyu ni manager, huyu ni kuna cleaner pale. Sasa hao wote watakuwa intercessors.